Rob Frazier here. This video wanted to actually talk about the simplest, easiest, and best affiliate marketing system, if you ask me, in my humble opinion. And the reason why I say this, and I'm just going to share it in this video, this is a very simple, very straightforward video. A lot of people follow my channel and on my email list. They see I promote a number of different things, and I get this question all the time. Hey, Rob, what's your number one traffic source? Hey, Rob, what's your number one program? What's your number one marketing system? And I'm going to be honest. Everything that I'm a part of, I like, obviously, but I do call things as I see it. So, for example, a lot of folks who follow me for a long time know that I've been promoting Power Lead System, which is not a part of this video. I'm going to just stress that now. And I've made a lot of money. I made north of 350K over the course of the past 6 years with Power Lead System. Income disclaimer. Over the past 6 years, not in 1 year or anything crazy like that. And this is based off of my experience sponsoring people, my experience in answering questions. A new person gets started and they get confused, or if they join a certain system or opportunity, then you have to buy this thing, and then you got to buy that thing, and then you got to buy this thing, and then you have to upgrade to make it work, and then you still need to buy advertising. You know, so this is just from everything that I've been through. Also my experience in traditional network marketing, having a product and you're trying to be an advocate for this product and trying to make it work. My experience in CPA marketing, my experience in selling ClickBank items and little books and trinkets and things like that. Now, some people have made different things work. Me, what I'm sharing in this video is what I have made work. And this is the simplest way that this is the first and easiest way I can just break it down to get folks to understand. What I'm trying to say is basically, there's so many folks and they see me in different opportunities, and it's just like, once you get the basics down, you can change it at will. And those basics are when you have a business or an affiliate product or an opportunity or something, preferably that pays daily so you can get daily cash flow. That really helps, because I've promoted opportunities. You get paid $20 the week after next. Or you get a $6 commission, like woohoo, like you're not going to change your life with $6 commissions. So this is just from my experience promoting different things, leading with different things. The three things you need is a product, business, or opportunity. That's one. To sell, preferably that pays daily, number one. Number two, a marketing system. Preferably that's ready to go with everything you need right when you get it. That's easy for the new folks and for the advanced folks as well. But something that's just easy. Here's the stock system. This is what I use. Boom, you got your email, you got your autoresponder, you got your capture pages, everything. That's two. Lastly, traffic, an advertising source. Someplace you can go to promote your business very, very simple, very, very easy. And this right here is that system. So number one, of everything I've been a part of, Power Lead System, ClickFunnels, Easy One, just everything that I've been in, Exodus Elite is that program for me. You get paid instant 100, instant 250, instant 500, instant 1,000, or instant $2,000 commissions paid right now in your pocket today. You're not pushing a $6 ebook that, you're going to get $6 2 weeks from the next Wednesday or Friday. You're not going to get $20 in 10 days. You're going to get that $100 in your pocket right now today. That is vital and crucial for your own momentum, your own belief. Affiliate marketing is hard enough. I've seen a lot of people trying to push this product or this thing and you get paid a whopping $7.50, and it's just like, how many of those $7.50 do you have to sell to get some relief in your own life? You know, for the most part, if you could do $500 a week, that's changing your life. I mean, I can survive just on $500 a week. You know, bills are real low. I own my truck. Life is good. But, you know, a lot of folks it's just challenging when you have tiny, tiny little crappy commissions that don't do anything. When you have something like Exodus, at the very least, when you get that email that says, hey, somebody's sending you money, you know at least that's $100 bills, crisp and fresh in your pocket. Just that simple. And so the back office right here, you see the G100, G250, G5, G1000, those are the commission levels. Not to mention the training is very solid, and I'm not trying to go deep into what the training has and the Exodus Hub and all this kind of stuff. I'm just saying this is my simplest, brain-dead, simple system that I've been promoting that's been putting consistent cash in my pocket. I'm not, you know, earning $250K a week or anything crazy like that. However, I am earning a full-time income just promoting this. In the past week, $1,000 in my pocket. Income disclaimer, but the average folks, if you're making a $500 to $1,000 a week in affiliate marketing online, you're doing all right. Even if you pay taxes on that, hopefully you are, you're doing all right. So Exodus Elite is that instant cash flow business. That's the product. This is the product that I'm selling. Number two, a marketing system. My Capture Page is that marketing system. My Capture Page has a ready-made Exodus funnel. All you have to do is take your Exodus sign-up link and plug it in the back office of My Capture Page. And when you join me, I'll show you exactly how to do that. It's very, very simple. You don't have to buy an autoresponder. You don't need to buy a secure certificate like one of my other marketing systems. You join a marketing system, then you have to pay to become an admin or an affiliate, and then you have to pay to make your site secure. My Capture Page, $19.95 per month, or you can do a yearly, $19.95 per month. It's already secure. You already have capture pages, multiple capture pages. Y'all sales funnels, email autoresponder, already set, already ready to go. You don't even have to think about it. Then you take your capture page that you get from My Capture Page, you go over here. It used to be MLM Leads, but it's now My Home Business. I know the owner of the former owner. He sold off because he wanted to pursue other things in life, and he sold his MLM Leads to My Home Business. I'm just leave it at that. I do know the people behind the company. Very reputable place to buy traffic from. And what I simply do is I come back here, I buy traffic, and I send it to My Capture Page. It's very, very simple. One thing I will say is My Home Business, MLM Leads, it does have an affiliate product as an affiliate program as well. So whenever you refer people here to buy traffic, you get 10% commission. So if they buy a traffic order for, let me scroll down here and find out products. And this is also where I buy traffic. People ask me, where exactly should you buy traffic? Click on products, go here, click on My Autopilot Web Traffic National. Try not to make this video too long, but it's already getting there. And you scroll down here, wait till your country bumpkin Wi-Fi loads. You click here, and you'll see the different product packages. What I do is whenever I make a sale in my business, whenever I make an Exodus Elite sale, I take 50% of that money and I come here, and whatever traffic order I can afford is what I buy. And that traffic, I buy the clicks, so whatever number of clicks I can afford. So if I make a $1,000 Exodus Elite sale, I'll come here and I'll buy this order for 480 clicks, $450. Where's that $450 come from? Comes from my $1,000 Exodus Elite commission, my G1000 product. I take $450, I go over here, I buy traffic, And where do I send that traffic? I send it straight to my capture page. Very, very simple. It's just brain dead, straightforward, simple. And, you know, if I make a $100 sale, well, all right, well, I'll go up here, I'll buy the $47. If I make a $250 sale, I'll come here, I'll buy the $113. This, I do have other traffic sources, but this is my #1 highest recommendation. And also, again, you get 10% of your, when people come behind you and they order traffic here, you get 10% of that, and then it accumulates. And then what I do is I take that, roll it right back into more traffic. They pay their commissions once a month, and so that next month I take all that money, roll it right back into more traffic. Where am I sending that traffic? To my capture page. And that is it. That is my complete, simple, straightforward, paid traffic, affiliate marketing, biz ops strategy. And I've been following that since 2015, and I've been full-time since 2015. Obviously, I do YouTube, and obviously I do social media, but what I just shared is the simplest, straightforward, easiest way, and it's only three things: the Exodus Elite, the My Capture page, then MLM leads, business, marketing system, traffic. Whenever I make a sale, half of that goes into traffic, half of that goes in my pocket, and that keeps the machine going. Very simple, very straightforward. So, my name's Rob Frazier. If you're interested in this strategy, click the link below, opt into my capture page, see how the whole system works for you. If not, you can click off the video. Have a great day, but this is what I do, and this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing right now, October 26, 2021, and this is what I'll be doing January 1st, 2022. My name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video.